Hi guys, so my Disney family is back on YouTube and we are here today to share with you our packing, plane and park bags for our upcoming trip. We are going to Disney World for 12 days and we're so excited. And so I wanted to share with you how we pack. This is actually my son's book bag that he's gonna have for the plane, and I want to share with you what's in it. He is 5 now, so we've changed a couple things on how we do things. Obviously, when he was a baby and we went to the parks and on a plane, we changed a lot. Things were different. But now that he's 5, things have changed. You know, the things that are in here are different than what he was. So this is from Pottery Barn Kids. I love their book bags for kids. Also, we have like the thermos and the lunchbox for him to take to daycare right now, and he'll be taking those to kindergarten with him. So in here we've got crayons. Coloring books and crayons is a big thing for him. So that's one thing that we have put in here for him to take. In the second pouch, I don't really think I have much except for right now, his earphones. He'll be taking his tablet and his headphones on the plane with him. And then this last part is a lot of stuff that I got from the Dollar Tree, honestly. There was a ton of goodies at the Dollar Tree that you could get. So I got some snacks, and I'm also taking a snack bag. It will be in my bag. I think I actually got this at Dollar General. They have these fun little fun on the go sticker, activity sheet, containers. Oh, here's one just like it, but it's memory match. Super fun. Wiki sticks, something for him to manipulate and to play around with is super fun as well. Let's see, I found these at Target. They are lacing shapes and a number sequence puzzle. So just different things for him to do on the plane on the way there. I found this at Dollar General. It's just a wipe-off board. My 5-year-old loves to play tic-tac-toe. And so I thought this would be a great little thing for us to be able to use. And I've got a dry erase marker in here for him to play tic-tac-toe because he loves doing that at restaurants. These play packs. I got some at Dollar Tree, some at Dollar General. And I bought a lot of these, and then I let him pick. I let him pick out which ones. Something that I love to do is all kids love to sit by the window seat. So we did this the last time we flew, and he loved it. Gel clings. And since it's past the 4th, these were on clearance for 50 cents. So, yada yada. Color forms are back. I think I found this at Target. Remember these when we were kids? I thought they were gone, but they're not. So these are fun. And then I've just got some coloring books that we picked out. And here's another one, but it's numbers and counting since we need to be ready for kindergarten. So plus we subscribe to the Disney Junior news. So this is the July and August edition, so I put that in here. On to our bags. So my bag is more for the plane ride, and then my husband's book bag is more for parks. So in here is a lot of stuff that we might need, as always. Flushable wipes for a 5-year-old is a must, especially, you know, if you have a 5-year-old, you know why you need a flushable wipes. And tissues. That is a must, right? Tissues. There's always runny, yucky noses everywhere. So let's see. In my book bag, I do leave enough room for my purse, which has my wallet, my money, my keys to the car we just dropped off in the parking garage. What else? I do have a little bag in here of me stuff. You know, chapstick with SPF in it, my glasses cases in here, sunglasses, all that kind of stuff. Anything mommy might need that I would put in my regular purse that I'm probably taking with me. I also have a snack bag, and I like taking the insulated 31 cooler bags just because they're easier to take snacks in. And you know it's not gonna get hot and sweaty if it's in that lined cooler bag. Another bag of stuff, deodorants, Thieves. We're an oil household, so we use Thieves as our hand sanitizer. I do use the Bath & Body ones, and they are on our book bag, but sometimes you just need something a little bit more sanitary. So we do use the Thieves spray. Also in my book bag is it's kind of like a bag of charging cables. Where did it go? Oh, here it is. I had it kind of like open and laid out already. We have different power banks that we use, which is awesome. And our charging cords. So I kind of just have a bag of those types of things in here as well. And then the last thing that's in my book bag is my iPad. This is a case that my iPad goes in. And then I put all my paperwork in here. So all of our schedules that I've gone through and typed out, our Southwest drink coupons, our Magical Express stuff, all those goodies that you might need on your way are all right here. So I just put that in a pouch with my iPad. Instead of taking, I used to take like a separate little pouch for just paperwork, and you don't have as much paperwork as you used to. So I found that a lot easier. Last but not least, I always pack an extra outfit for our kiddo because you never know what's gonna happen at the airport, if he's gonna get something on his outfit, if he's not gonna be feeling well from being on the plane. You just don't know. So all of that stuff goes in my book bag. My book bag is primarily for the plane. I'll also probably put in some magazines for myself, also my phone and all that kind of stuff. And my book bag is from the Vera Bradley collection. It is an older one. So yeah, that's my book bag. The last thing I have is my husband's book bag, and it's primarily to be for our park. So once we get to our resort and we get any of this stuff dropped off at Bell Services, then we'll just have my husband's book bag left, and I'll probably take my purse out of mine. So his book bag is primarily for the park or for whatever we do once we get to our resort. We are staying at Wilderness Lodge. So once we take Magical Express to Wilderness Lodge, we'll drop off our carry-on and our extra book bags at Bell Services if our room is not ready. And then we'll just have the book bag in my purse, which is awesome. Also, I made all of these little luggage tags. I just found a template online, added our address to the back, and customized them to each suitcase and or what thing that we wanted. So in here, we are going to be taking an Uber. We are going to head over to the Disney Outlet on our first day. We're not going into a park. So I have a Bubble Bum. A Bubble Bum is an inflatable booster seat. So pretty awesome. Got it on Amazon. I've already tried it out. So there's tons of informational things online about the Bubble Bum. So I also always have a flushable wipe in our park book bag, along with some wet wipes. I like to clean off the tables just in case, or, you know, anything like that. Tissues, you know, that kind of stuff is in here. Pampers, wipes. These are just good for everything. They're just good for everything. Anything you can think of. Magic bands. I won't leave these in here the whole time that we're on our trip. We just got some of the new magic bands that you can get for the extra $10. So this is Jackson's new magic band for this trip. Let's see. This is my husband John's magic band for this trip. Super fun. And ooh, this is my magic band for this trip, along with any of your previous magic bands that you keep active on your account also work. So all of our magic bands are in here, and then just for each day we'll kind of pick. A mini umbrella, great little pickup. I picked it up at Dollar General for $6. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. And the bubble gum, I will only put this in our bag when we're going somewhere with Uber. Easy peasy, right? The last thing is I do have this bag of tons of goodies. You never know what you're gonna need. Ponchos at the Dollar Tree for $1. Also, all of these baggies are the Star Wars or Frozen Glade baggies. That's why you see them on here. I do have some Tylenol and ibuprofen. I have a mini first aid kit, and I added some kids Band-Aids to this. I do have some banana boats. I have some more wet wipes. I have a stain stick in here. I have the sunscreen stick as well. And something that I really enjoyed that we have these, and it's kind of a peace of mind, are name bubble ID tags. I don't know if you've ever used Name Bubble before, but I put these on Jackson. It has our information on them. So I'm not going to show you all of them, but you can get them in different themes, but it's a little name tag that you just, you know, wrap around their wrist, or you can do their ankle so that it's not showing. They are waterproof, which is really, really nice. And this just kind of gives me peace of mind. I'll usually put this on him and it'll stay on for 1 or 2 days, and then I'll have to get another one out. But this is just something that, just in case, you never know, but just in case if something does happen, you know, you've got that. I also have, and it's on the snack bag right now, but I do also have this little lanyard that has, you know, if lost, please call, and the number with his picture on it. And I could put this on his sneaker of a morning. I could kind of just put it on a belt loop if he's wearing a pair of pants that have that or something. So, you know, make sure that your littles, it's a big place. Disney's a big place, and you never know what could happen. God forbid. So just be mindful of your surroundings. Also, this is a Pottery Barn book bag. As I didn't say before, again, got another tag, pre-made tag on here. So I hope you've loved our packing book bag video for the plane and the park, and we will see you soon. We've got a lot of videos that we are going to be covering during our 12-day trip that starts tomorrow. So we're super, super excited. And follow us on Instagram, subscribe below. Our Instagram is My Disney Family, so you can follow us there. We'll be posting pictures throughout our trip, so you can kind of get some sneak peeks before our videos load. And what else? Subscribe and click the bell. Thanks, guys.